Antarctica. The name conjures images of a vast icy wilderness, a place where the horizon seems to stretch endlessly, covered in a blanket of white. It is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth, a land where the elements reign supreme and survival is a daily challenge. Yet beneath its harsh exterior lies a world of breathtaking beauty, a hidden gem waiting to be discovered by those brave enough to venture into its icy embrace. Imagine a place where towering icebergs gleam under the endless summer sun, casting long shadows on the pristine snow. Picture colossal glaciers that carve their way through mountains, their icy breath forming frozen sculptures of unimaginable scale, each one a testament to the power of nature. Antarctica is a land of stark contrasts and unparalleled grandeur, where the silence is broken only by the howling wind and the distant crack of ice. Its pristine landscapes have remained largely untouched by human hands, preserving a purity that is rare in our modern world. This isolation has allowed nature to thrive in all its raw, untamed glory, creating a sanctuary for wildlife and a haven for those seeking solitude. From the ethereal glow of the southern lights, dancing across the sky in a mesmerizing display, to the playful antics of penguin colonies bustling with life, Antarctica offers a sensory experience unlike any other, a place where every sight, sound, and sensation is amplified by the sheer majesty of the surroundings. Join me on a journey to this extraordinary continent, a voyage of discovery and wonder. Together, we will explore some of its most iconic scenic areas, from the towering ice cliffs to the vast open plains, delving into the wonders that lie hidden amidst the ice and snow, uncovering secrets that have been locked away for millennia. Prepare to be captivated by the raw beauty of Antarctica, a place where nature reigns supreme and every moment is a reminder of the planet's incredible power and resilience. Our first destination is the Lemaire Channel, often referred to as Kodak Gap for its photographic splendor. This name is well-deserved as every turn offers a new breathtaking view, perfect for capturing unforgettable moments. This narrow waterway, flanked by towering cliffs and glaciers, is a sight to behold. The sheer walls of ice rise dramatically from the water, creating a natural corridor that feels both intimate and grand. Imagine cruising through this icy avenue, the ship dwarfed by the sheer scale of the surrounding landscape. The experience is both humbling and exhilarating as you navigate through this frozen wonderland. The air is crisp and clear, the silence broken only by the gentle lapping of water against the ship's hull and the occasional crack of calving ice. These sounds create a serene yet powerful soundtrack to your journey. As you glide through the channel, keep your eyes peeled for wildlife. The area is teeming with life, from seabirds soaring overhead to seals lounging on ice floes. Humpback whales are frequent visitors to these waters, their massive forms breaching the surface in a spectacular display of power. Witnessing these gentle giants in their natural habitat is a highlight of any Antarctic voyage. The Lemaire Channel is a true testament to the awe-inspiring beauty of Antarctica. Its pristine ice formations and tranquil waters create a landscape that feels almost otherworldly. It is a place where you can feel the raw power of nature and the insignificance of humanity in the face of such grandeur. The experience leaves an indelible mark on all who pass through this majestic passage. Next we venture to Paradise Bay, aptly named for its tranquil beauty. This hidden gem in Antarctica is a sanctuary of peace and calm, where the natural world remains untouched and pure. Here the landscape softens, revealing a sheltered haven amidst the icy wilderness. The bay is cradled by towering ice formations, creating a serene and protected environment. Imagine towering glaciers that cascade down to the water's edge, their icy slopes reflected in the bay's mirror-like surface. The stillness of the water amplifies the grandeur of these natural ice sculptures. The air is filled with the sounds of nature, the gentle murmur of the water, the calls of seabirds, and the occasional thunderous roar of a calving glacier. These sounds create a symphony that is both soothing and awe-inspiring. Paradise Bay is home to a variety of wildlife, including penguins, seals, and seabirds. These creatures thrive in this pristine environment, adding life and movement to the tranquil scenery. Watch in awe as penguins waddle along the shoreline, their comical antics bringing a smile to your face. Their playful behavior is a delightful contrast to the stark, icy surroundings. Paradise Bay is a place to relax, breathe in the fresh Antarctic air, and soak in the tranquility of this pristine environment. It offers a rare opportunity to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life. It is a reminder that even in the harshest of landscapes, beauty can be found in the most unexpected of places. The pristine environment of Paradise Bay is a testament to the resilience and splendor of nature. Prepare to be dwarfed by the sheer scale of the Ross Ice Shelf, the largest ice shelf in Antarctica. Imagine a vast floating plain of ice that stretches as far as the eye can see. This colossal ice shelf is larger than the entire country of France, its edges towering up to 50 meters above the waterline. The Ross Ice Shelf plays a crucial role in the stability of the Antarctic ice sheet, acting as a giant cork that prevents glaciers from flowing into the ocean. Scientists closely monitor the ice shelf for any signs of melting or collapse, as this could have significant impacts on global sea levels. Standing on the edge of the Ross Ice Shelf, you can truly appreciate the immense scale of Antarctica's frozen wilderness. It is a humbling experience that leaves a lasting impression. Section 5: Dry Valleys, Antarctica's stark beauty. Our journey takes us inland to the Dry Valleys, one of the most extreme deserts on Earth. Imagine a landscape stripped bare of ice and snow, revealing a stark and desolate beauty. These valleys are so dry that they have not seen significant rainfall for millions of years. The dry valleys are a testament to the power of wind erosion, with their sculpted rock formations and scattered pebbles bearing witness to the relentless forces of nature. Scientists are fascinated by the dry valleys, as their extreme conditions provide a unique environment for studying life's limits. The dry valleys may seem desolate at first glance, but they hold a strange and captivating beauty. They are a reminder that even in the most inhospitable of environments, nature finds a way to persevere. Section 6: South Shetland Islands, a haven for wildlife. Our next stop is the South Shetland Islands, a volcanic archipelago teeming with life. Imagine rugged coastlines dotted with penguin colonies, their calls echoing across the icy air. The South Shetland Islands are a haven for wildlife, attracting a diverse array of species drawn to the rich feeding grounds in the surrounding waters. From the playful antics of chinstrap penguins to the majestic presence of elephant seals, the South Shetland Islands offer endless opportunities for wildlife encounters. Keep your eyes peeled for whales breaching offshore, their massive forms a testament to the abundance of life in these waters. The South Shetland Islands are a reminder that even in the harshest of environments, life finds a way to thrive. They are a testament to the resilience of nature and the interconnectedness of all living things. Section 7: Deception Island, a volcanic landscape. Prepare to be awestruck by the otherworldly beauty of Deception Island, a volcanic caldera partially submerged beneath the sea. Imagine sailing through a narrow channel into the heart of a flooded volcano, surrounded by towering cliffs and steaming volcanic vents. Deception Island is a place of stark contrasts, where ice and fire meet in a dramatic display of nature's power. The island is home to geothermal springs, where you can even take a dip in the warm, mineral-rich waters. Deception Island is a reminder that beneath Antarctica's icy exterior lies a fiery heart. It is a place where you can witness the raw power of geological forces shaping the landscape. Section 9: Blood Falls, a crimson stain in the ice. Prepare to be intrigued by the mystery of Blood Falls, a crimson-colored waterfall that stains the ice a vibrant red. Imagine a cascade of water that appears to be bleeding from the Taylor Glacier, creating a stark contrast against the pristine white ice. The red color of Blood Falls is due to the presence of iron oxides in the water, which rust upon contact with the air. Scientists believe that the water originates from an ancient iron-rich lake trapped beneath the glacier for millions of years. Bloodfalls is a reminder that even in the most unexpected of places, nature can surprise us with its beauty and mystery. It is a testament to the power of scientific inquiry to unravel the secrets of our planet. Section 10. The Southern Lights, a celestial display. As our journey draws to a close, we are treated to a final spectacle, the ethereal glow of the Southern Lights. Imagine the night sky ablaze with shimmering curtains of green, blue, and purple light, dancing across the horizon. The Southern Lights, also known as the Aurora Australis, are caused by charged particles from the sun interacting with the Earth's atmosphere. These particles collide with atoms in the atmosphere, exciting them and causing them to emit light. The Southern Lights are a truly magical experience, a reminder that we are part of a vast and wondrous universe. They are a fitting end to our journey through the breathtaking scenery of Antarctica. Section 11. Explore the beauty of Antarctica. Antarctica is a land of breathtaking beauty and unparalleled wonder. From its towering icebergs and colossal glaciers to its diverse wildlife and ethereal southern lights, this frozen continent offers a sensory experience unlike any other. Which of these scenic areas would you like me to cover in more detail next? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more incredible journeys to the far corners of our planet. Together, let's explore the wonders of the natural world.